In a world facing unprecedented climate challenges, nature showcases remarkable resilience as ecosystems adapt in unexpected ways. In this video, we delve into the incredible strategies employed by various species, from migrating to cooler regions to evolving new traits in response to changing environments. Join us as we explore fascinating phenomena like coral reef adaptations, urban wildlife adjusting to human landscapes, and drought-resistant plants that offer hope in arid conditions. Together, let's uncover how life on Earth is not only surviving but also thriving amidst the trials of climate change. 1. Species migration to cooler regions. As temperatures climb, many species of plants and animals are embarking on a journey to cooler havens. This migration is crucial for maintaining biodiversity, as it allows species to find new, suitable habitats. For instance, certain bird species are now nesting at higher altitudes, while some fish are moving towards cooler waters. This migration isn't just a survival tactic, it's a testament to nature's flexibility. However, this movement can lead to competition for resources in new areas, creating complex ecological dynamics. As ecosystems shift, the balance of predator and prey, as well as plant and pollinator relationships, may be altered. 2. Coral reef adaptation. Coral reefs, often dubbed the rainforests of the sea, are showing signs of resilience in the face of warming oceans. Some coral species are evolving to tolerate higher temperatures, allowing them to recover from bleaching events more efficiently. This adaptation is vital for marine biodiversity, as reefs provide habitat and food for countless marine organisms. Interestingly, some corals are forming symbiotic relationships with heat-resistant algae, enhancing their thermal tolerance. Despite these positive signs, the pace of climate change poses a significant threat to coral reefs' long-term survival. 3. Urban wildlife adaptation. Urban environments present unique challenges for wildlife, especially with the intensification of urban heat islands. Birds, insects, and other urban-dwelling creatures are tweaking their behaviors to cope with these changes. For example, some bird species are nesting earlier in the year, aligning their breeding cycles with the altered seasons. Similarly, certain insects adjust their migration patterns to avoid extreme heat. These adaptations highlight nature's capacity to thrive even in human-altered landscapes, but they also underscore the need for urban planning that considers wildlife needs. 4. Drought-resistant plants. In regions experiencing prolonged droughts due to shifting rainfall patterns, certain plant species are developing remarkable survival strategies. These plants often grow deeper root systems to access water reserves far below the surface. Additionally, some have developed mechanisms to conserve water, such as reducing leaf size or altering growth rates. These adaptations are essential for the survival of plant communities and the animals that depend on them. By adjusting their physiology, these plants not only endure harsh conditions but also contribute to soil stability and nutrient cycling. 5. Ecosystem shifts in response to changing climate. As climates change, entire ecosystems are undergoing transformations. Grasslands, for example, are expanding into areas once dominated by forests, creating new habitats. This shift is primarily driven by drier conditions, which favor grassland species over forest species. While this transformation can support different wildlife, it also challenges existing species to adapt or relocate. These changes highlight the dynamic nature of ecosystems and their ability to reconfigure in response to environmental stressors. However, they also raise concerns about the loss of forest ecosystems and the services they provide. 6. Changes in breeding cycles. Many species are adjusting their reproductive strategies to align with new seasonal patterns. From amphibians to mammals, altered breeding cycles are becoming increasingly common. This shift ensures that offspring are born at times when resources are plentiful, increasing their chances of survival. For instance, some frogs are breeding earlier to coincide with warmer spring temperatures. While these changes may seem small, they play a crucial role in maintaining population stability. However, mismatches between food availability and breeding times can pose significant challenges. 7. Hybridization and genetic adaptation. In the face of climate change, some species are interbreeding, resulting in hybrid offspring with new genetic traits. This genetic mixing can enhance resilience by introducing traits that help cope with environmental stressors. For example, certain plants are hybridizing to produce offspring that can withstand extreme temperatures or pests. Rapid genetic adaptation is also occurring in some animal populations, allowing them to thrive in changing habitats. These adaptations underscore the importance of genetic diversity in bolstering resilience against climate change. 8. Increased carbon sequestration by certain ecosystems. Certain ecosystems, such as wetlands, peatlands, and forests, are enhancing their carbon storage capacity. These natural climate buffers play a crucial role in mitigating climate change by absorbing more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Wetlands, for instance, are expanding their carbon sequestration capabilities through increased plant growth and soil carbon storage. This process not only helps regulate the climate but also supports biodiversity by providing habitats for various species. However, these ecosystems are themselves vulnerable to climate change, necessitating protection and conservation efforts. 9. Soil microbial adjustment. Microorganisms in soil are the unsung heroes of ecosystem resilience, adapting to changing temperatures and moisture levels. These microbes play a vital role in maintaining nutrient cycles, supporting plant growth, and enhancing soil health. As climates change, soil microbes are adjusting their metabolic processes to cope with new conditions. This adaptation is crucial for sustaining ecosystem productivity and resilience. By ensuring nutrient availability, these microorganisms help plants and other organisms survive and thrive in challenging environments. 10. Assisted adaptation by humans. Humans are stepping in to aid ecosystems in their battle against climate change. Conservationists are actively restoring degraded lands, relocating at-risk species, and breeding climate-resilient crops. These efforts are crucial in bolstering ecosystems' natural resilience and ensuring their continued functionality. By providing targeted support, humans can help ecosystems adapt to changing conditions more effectively. However, these interventions must be carefully planned and executed to avoid unintended ecological consequences. Nature's resilience is awe-inspiring, yet the rapid pace of climate change presents unprecedented challenges. While ecosystems are adapting in remarkable ways, human intervention remains essential to support these natural processes. Through conservation, emission reductions, and sustainable practices, we can help nature navigate the hurdles ahead, ensuring a balanced and sustainable future for all life on Earth.